San Antonio Water System Standard Specifications for Construction. Item No. 856. Pipe jacking. 856.1 Description. This item shall govern the furnishing and installation of casing and/or pipe by the method of pipe jacking. Such method to include auger boring, guided boring, pilot pipe jacking, hand-mined pipe jacking, and direct pipe jacking as shown in the contract documents and in conformity with this specification. This specification does not cover tunneling of any kind such as would involve liner plate or any other method employing a fixed in-place liner. This specification does not cover micro-tunneling. All methods not included in this specification require separate special specifications to be developed that are unique to each individual project. 856.2 Reference Standards. Reference standards cited in this specification item. Number 856 refer to the current reference standard published at the time of the latest revision date. 1. San Antonio Water System, SAWS. A specification for water and sanitary sewer construction. B. SAWS Material Specifications. 2. City of San Antonio, COSA. A. Utility Excavation Criteria Manual. B. Standard Specifications for Construction. 3. AASHTO, American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials. 4. American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials. AASHTO. 5. American Railway Engineering and Maintenance of Way Association, ARIMA, Manual for Railway Engineering. 6. American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM. ASTM A36, Standard Specifications for Carbon Structural Steel. ASTM A134 Standard Specification for Pipe, Steel, Electric Fusion, Arc, Welded, Sizes NPS 16 and over. ASTM A283, Standard Specifications for Low and Intermediate Tensile Strength Carbon Steel Plates. ASTM A307, Standard Specifications for Carbon Steel Bolts and Studs, 60,000 psi tensile strength. 7. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. 8. Design Guidance Document for Pipe Jacking versus Tunneling Methods. 856.3 Submittals. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, instructions, recommendations, shop drawings, and certifications including, but not limited to, shop drawings identifying proposed pipe jacking method, installation of pits or shafts, installation of jacking support/backstop, arrangement and position of jacks and pipe guides, runners, casing spacers, and grouting plan. 856.4 Materials. 1. Carrier pipe. Carrier pipe shall be of the types and sizes shown in the contract documents and shall conform to the requirements of these specifications. 2. If PVC pipe is to be utilized as carrier pipe, installation shall conform to item specification number 818, PVC, C900 and C909, pipe installation and shall be fully restrained in casing. 3. Sanitary sewers. Materials shall conform to specification item number 848, sanitary sewers, or as specified in the contract documents by the engineer, and in accordance with DD 856 of the standard drawing series. 4. Casing pipe. Casing, if required, shall be as follows for water and sewer mains. A. Steel. 5. Grout. Grout for annular spaces shall be sand cement slurry containing a minimum of 7 sacks of Portland cement per cubic yard of slurry. A. All slurry shall be plant batched and transit mixed. 856.5 Construction. 1. Pipe jacking. Suitable pits or trenches shall be excavated for the purpose of jacking operations for placing end joints of the pipe. A. When trenches are cut in the side of embankment, such work shall be securely sheeted and braced. B. Jacking operations shall in no way interfere with the operation of railroads, streets, highways, or other facilities and shall not weaken or damage such facilities. C. The pipe to be jacked shall be set on guides to support the section of pipe being jacked and to direct it in the proper line and grade in accordance with submittal. D. Embankment material shall be excavated just ahead of the pipe and material removed through the pipe, and the pipe forced through the opening thus provided. E. The excavation for the underside of the pipe, for at least 1/3 of the circumference of the pipe, shall conform to the contour and grade of the pipe. F. A clearance of not more than 2 inches may be provided for the upper half of the pipe. G. The distance that the excavation shall extend beyond the end of the pipe shall depend on the character of the material, but it shall not exceed 2 feet in any case. H. The pipe shall be jacked from the downstream end. I. Permissible lateral or vertical variation in the final position of the pipe from line and grade will be as shown in the contract documents or as determined by the engineer. J. Any pipe that cannot be repaired to its original condition or is damaged in jacking operations shall be removed and replaced at the contractor's expense. Jacking pits shall be backfilled immediately upon completion of jacking operations. K. Boring operations may include a pilot hole which shall be bored the entire length of crossing and shall be used as a guide for the larger hole to be bored. Water or drilling fluid may be used to lubricate cuttings. 2. Joints for pipe jacking shall be as specified in specification item number 848, sanitary sewers, specification item number 857 fiberglass reinforced pipe for large diameter gravity sanitary sewer, specification item number 816 steel pipe installation, or specification item number 820 concrete steel cylinder pipe installation or as shown in the contract documents, shop drawings, or as per additional pipe manufacturer's recommendations. 3. Grouting of casing and / or direct jack pipe, the annular space between casing pipe or direct jack pipe and limits of excavation, borehole, shall be pressure grouted unless otherwise specified in the contract documents. 4. Grouting of annular space between casing and carrier pipe, for sewer pipe, the annular space between casing and carrier pipe shall be pressure grouted unless otherwise specified in the contract documents. 856.6 Measurement, pipe jacking shall be measured by the linear foot of bore as measured from face to face of jacking pits. 1. Carrier pipe used in bores or jacked into place shall be measured by the linear foot of pipe installed from end to end of pipe to the limits shown on the plans. 2. Casings, where required by the plans, of the size and material required shall be measured by the linear foot actually installed in accordance with the plans. 856.7 Payment, the work performed and materials furnished as specified herein, measured as provided above, shall be paid for at the contract unit bid price per linear foot of pipe jacking, which price shall be full compensation for furnishing all materials including carrier pipe and casings, as indicated for each appropriate bid item listed below, casing spacers, grout, labor, tools, equipment and incidentals necessary to complete the work, including excavation, grouting, backfilling, restoration to original ground conditions, end caps, and disposal of surplus materials. 1. Carrier pipe shall be paid for at the contract unit price bid for carrier pipe for pipe jacking per linear foot of pipe installed and measured as described above. 2. Casings shall be paid for at the contract unit price bid for casing per linear foot of casing installed and measured as described above.